What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise News. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where we have the new Toyota Ayla debuting in Indonesia, but it's a rebadged Daihatsu and it also has a GR Sport trim. Now, Toyota is known for rebadging synergies in certain markets around the world, including Indonesia, where the automaker has just launched the second generation Agya. Now, the city car is sharing almost the entirety of its design and underpinnings with the Daihatsu Ayla. Now, although it is the only one available in GR Sport guise, featuring aggressive styling and chassis upgrades. Now, visually, the Toyota Agya is trying to differentiate itself from the Daihatsu, and this is achieved by the redesigned bumper featuring a huge grille, flanked by sporty Fox intakes and slightly different headlights. Furthermore, the GR Sport features a more aggressive body kit, including the larger Fox intakes and aerodynamic extensions on the bumper and side sills, combined with 15-inch alloy wheels. Now, the Toyota Ayla, based on the Daihatsu New Global Architecture, or DNGA, measures 3,760 millimeters long, 148 inches, 1,665 millimeters, 65.6 inches wide, and 1,550 millimeters, 61 inches tall, with a wheelbase of 2,525 millimeters, 99.4 inches. Now, this makes it 60 millimeters, 2.4 inches longer than the EU spec Toyota Ayla X, and a full 180 millimeters, 7.1 inches shorter than the global spec Toyota Yaris. Now, the GR Sport trim is slightly longer than the lesser trims, measuring 3,830 millimeters, 150.8 inches, due to the special body kit. Now, under the hood lies a naturally aspirated 1.3-liter dual VVT-I 3-cylinder petrol engine, producing 87 horsepower, 65 kilowatts, 88 PS, and 113 newton meters, 83 pound-feet of torque. This is the only available powertrain for the Toyota, even though the Daihatsu also comes with a powerful 1-liter engine. Now, the mill can be matted to either a 5-speed manual or CVT automatic, sending power to the front axle, and the GR trim also doesn't get any performance upgrades over the lesser trims, but benefits from a sportier suspension setup to go along with the aggressive looks and more generous equipment. Now, speaking of equipment, the Agya GR Sport comes packed for the segment standards. The model has LED headlights, paddle shifters for the simulated gears of the CVT, and an 8-inch touchscreen for the infotainment. It also sports GR badging on the seats, leather steering wheel and side sills, red stitching, a revised camera, rear parking sensors, a wireless charging pad, power retractable mirrors, a dash cam, and a premium horn, which is likely to make it sound more expensive than your average city car. Don't expect too much ADAS though, with the safety kit being pretty much limited to a couple of airbags. Now, the Toyota Ayla is already available to order, starting from as low as 167,900 Indonesian rupiah, which is $10,892 in the current exchange rates, but you're looking for the flagship GR Sport to sell at 237,500,000 Indonesia rupiah, or $15,406. So with that said, what do you guys think about the Agya in the GR Sport trim in Indonesia? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it. And we'll have a bigger discussion on rebadged Daihatsu, the Toyota Ayla, and GR Sport trim with it. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down in the description below. We have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, my Cash App, my Venmo, and my Patreon, just in case you guys want to donate an extra dollar or two to the channel. I always appreciate that extra love you guys give. Thank you so much. You guys can also check out the Ron's Rise merch and check out my social media links down in the description below. Now, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise News video. Peace.